At OXO, we're always cooking something up in our test kitchen. Whether it's tomato sauce with our wooden tools or checking out cake batters with our newest line of spatulas, we love having our tools at an arm's reach. The rotating stainless steel utensil holder makes tools easy to access. With a 5.5-inch diameter, the utensil holder holds over 15 large-handled tools, everything you need for preparing your favorite meals. The smooth interior walls, a contoured bottom, and 3 distinct areas keep tools upright even when the holder is not full. Non-slip feet guarantee the holder won't tip over when removing tools, and ball bearings allow the utensil holder to rotate smoothly so the right tool for the job is close at hand. The utensil holder is also dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. Our utensil holder is also great for craft rooms and bathrooms, for art supplies, toiletries, makeup, and more.
Hey there. So most of the kitchen gadgets that I have are from my college days, which was back in 2009. And, you know, at this point in time, after so much cooking in this kitchen, so many years behind them, they are in desperate need of an upgrade. So I was really excited to find this set that comes with 25 pieces. In addition to actually this heat-resistant silicone oven glove. And, you know, I just wanted to share a couple of the different reasons why I bought this set in particular and, you know, why you might consider it for yourself or as a gift. So one of the things that made me choose this set over some of the others offered on Amazon was the fact that it has this stainless steel whisk. Most of the whisks on Amazon are 10 inches, but this one's actually 12 inches. So you'll be hard pressed to find a set with a whisk this large, which is perfect for when you're making cakes or, you know, any kind of baking needs and you don't want to get your hand all grimy with that baking stuff. It has a long head and handle, so it's really the perfect whisk if you are into baking. Another thing that I want to share with you is this awesome set of tongs. And so you can kind of see if you push in this piece at the bottom, then it expands. And then when you're ready to store it, you pull it out. What I really like about this set is, or especially this tongs piece, is that it's small. And so it fits really nicely into my drawers, whereas your typical sort of like BBQ tongs are at least twice as wide and there's nowhere for them to go in my kitchen. Another thing I really like is this pizza cutter right here. It's nice and sharp, so you know it's going to get the job done without a whole lot of pressure. And a lot of the items in this set are very ergonomic. You can see the handles are made of a softer, much softer material, obviously, than the stainless steel that everything else is made with. Another really cool feature of a lot of these products, like the soup ladle, for example, is that it has a hole on the bottom. So, you know, if you wanted to hang them, string them together, whatever way you organize your kitchen, you know, there's a way to do that. So another piece, I'll just show you a couple other things before I end it off here. We have a peeler. We have a cake knife. I used this yesterday to make a cake and it turned out beautiful with, you know, very easy cutting because it's serrated at the end. And then this peeler I used yesterday to make some mashed potatoes. And what's great about this is that it has a longer size than your typical peeler for the blade. So with less effort, you can peel a lot more. Ultimately, I'm very happy with my purchase, and my mom actually saw that I had it and has been dropping hints, so I think I'm going to get it for her for Mother's Day. But in the meantime, if you want to get a set like this, all you have to do is go to Amazon and you'll get Prime 2-day shipping. It is so worth it.
At OXO, we are always cooking up something in our test kitchen. Whether it's tomato sauce with our wooden tools or testing out cake batters with our new line of spatulas, we love having our tools at an arm's reach. The OXO stainless steel utensil holder's unique elliptical shape fits in narrow areas or flush against a wall. At 8¼ inches wide by 4½ inches deep, the caddy holds over 16 large-handled tools, everything you need for preparing your favorite meals. A slight flare in the side walls lets you place and remove tools easily. The caddy features a contoured bottom that keeps tools upright even when the caddy is not full. And use the 3 different storage compartments to sort your tools by usage. With a removable drip tray, this caddy works great for drying tools as well as displaying them. Made of stainless steel, our caddy is also dishwasher safe. Here's a good tip. Try this utensil holder in your bathroom for hairbrushes, combs, and other toiletries, or in your craft room for paintbrushes, markers, scissors, and more.
Hi, I'm Beck Doyle with Fine Dine. Whether you're sending a child to college, buying a wedding gift, or seeking to upgrade your kitchen, this stainless steel 10-piece utensil set from Fine Dine has everything you need. The set includes a skimmer spoon, a basting spoon, a spaghetti server, a ladle, a slotted spatula, a normal spatula, a potato masher, a whisk, and tongs. Each utensil is made of high-quality and food-safe stainless steel that will not crack and resist dents and chips that attract bacteria. This steel won't absorb stains or flavors, and every piece but the tongs features a hole in the handle for easy hanging. Instead of searching around in a cluttered drawer, neatly store all the utensils in their metal caddy on your countertop. Cleanup is a cinch. Simply hand wash the utensils or toss them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a high-quality kitchen utensil set that meets the needs of any amateur or professional cooking enthusiast, you just found it.